Okay, so right triangle similarity. So in a right triangle, the altitude. So pag-uusapan na natin si altitude to the hypotenuse. So mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo yung hypotenuse. Forms two triangles that are similar to each other and the original triangle. So sabi, in a right triangle, the altitude to the hypotenuse nagfo-form ng dalawang triangles that are similar to each other and the original triangle. So we have triangle ABC is a right triangle. So ito yon A, B, C. Okay po, right triangle. So next part, BD, ito po, itong BD is the altitude. Altitude po, kasi yung altitude, yan po yung altitude. So, pag sinabi pong altitude, yan yung height ng isang triangle. So, ayan. Itong BD, yan yung height. So, next, we have the angle B is the right angle. And then, right angle, exact 90 degrees. Pag sinabi pong right angle, eksakto po yung 90 degrees. Okay po. And next, let's determine now the hypotenuse. So, kapag hinahanap nyo si hypotenuse, look at the right angle. Diba ito yung right angle natin, yung angle B. Yung katapat niyan, yung opposite ng right angle, so itong side AC, so side AC is the hypotenuse. Okay po. AC is the hypotenuse. Pag sinabi po nating hypotenuse, yun po yung longest side ng right triangle. And then, pwede natin na opposite of a right angle, yun po yung hypotenuse. So, ayun lang po, diniscuss ko lang ng mabilisan ng right triangle similarity. Thank you.